Once upon a frosty day, Super Ryan and his band of buddies embarked on a frosty adventure to the land of the waddling penguins. They couldn't wait to see the adorable birds and join in their icy celebrations. But alas, their excitement turned to dismay as they arrived. A dastardly villain named Professor Puddle had dumped a mountain of stinky trash right in the middle of the penguins' party spot. The poor penguins were in a flap, unable to find any fish amidst the murky mess. "Oh, my icicles! This is a penguin party predicament!" exclaimed Super Ryan, his eyes wide with shock. With a determined squish of his boots, Super Ryan knew they had to spring into action. Using his lightning-fast speed, he zoomed around, snatching up the trash and tossing it into a humongous trash can. "Quick as a flurry! Let's tidy up this snowy mess!" he rallied his friends. Giggling and joking, they worked together, scooping and dumping until the water sparkled like diamonds once more, and the fish came darting back. The penguins were over the moon. They flapped their flippers and twirled in circles, showering Super Ryan and his pals with grateful honks and squawks for saving their bash. But just when they thought the party was back on track, Professor Puddle popped up, looking like a soggy sock. "You've foiled my trashy plan," he grumbled. "I wanted to have a garbage gala with the penguins." Super Ryan simply grinned and quipped, "Sorry, Professor Puddle, but clean shindigs are the coolest." With a swish of his cape, Super Ryan sent Professor Puddle packing, and the penguins erupted into a chorus of joyful squawks. As the frosty sun dipped below the icy horizon, Super Ryan and his gang watched the penguins feast on fresh fish, knowing they had made a chilly difference in protecting their flippered friends and their icy abode. The end, with a big penguin party waddle and lots of frosty fun.